into the session I am going to discuss about the polygon. So here I draw a one circle, then I am selecting the polygon command. So you will able to find the draw here. Into the draw window you will get the polygon below the rectangle. Select the polygon. First I need to specify the side. How many number of sides are there? For example, pentagon is which having the 5 number of side. For example, hexagon which having the 6 number of side. So first I select 5, then press enter. Now I need to specify the polygon center. For example, I consider the center of this circle as a center of the polygon. So I need to select this one. Now we have two options. First is an inscribed method. Second is a circumscribed method. So what is inscribed and what is circumscribed? I am not going to tell you right now. First I draw the inscribed method. Then I am draw the polygon by using the circumscribed method. Then you can able to differentiate both the things. Okay. So first I select the inscribed and then I select the one point onto the circle. That means the distance from this circle to this point is 50. Now the object is drawn, the pentagon is drawn. Okay, as you can see all the node point of the polygon is onto the circle and the distance from the center to this node point is 50. Now I draw another circle which having the radius 50 and draw another polygon. I am using the 5 side. I specify the center as a circle center. Now I am going to select a circumscribe above the circle. Now when I give the dimension 50, at that time what you see? The pentagon is drawn tangentially to the circle. The pentagon is not inside into the circle. Okay. So here is the difference between both the method. Into the inscribe method, the polygon is drawn inside the circle, and into the circumscribe method, the polygon draw outside of the circle. Here is the distance from center to node point is equal to what you give, and here the distance from center to side is equal to what you give. That means I will show you the distance from the center to the node point is 50 and the distance from center to this side is 50, not the node point. This is the difference between inscribe method and circumscribe method. I hope you can able to understand the situation. I will give you another example. Is the last example. I draw the circle which having the radius is 50. I select the polygon and I give the side is 6. The number of side is 6. Now I specify the center point. Now my situation is that I want to draw a hexagon which inside the circle. So that's why I am going to select inscribe in circle. So I am select inscribe in circle. Now I will give the dimension which is equal to the radius of the circle is 50. As you can see, the polygon is drawn inside the circle by using inscribed in circle method. I hope you can able to understand the video. Thank you.